Here's how to add a one-level numbered list in GraFx Studio. This text uses the description paragraph style. To set up and edit your numbered list, go to Brackets in GraFx Studio and locate the description paragraph style. Then, click the Edit icon. Go to the Numbered List tab. From here, ensure Level 1 is selected. Select a format, as well as a symbol after the number or letter. You can also select a left indent, as well as a text indent. The latter defines the space between your number and the text. Close the window, select your text, head over to the Properties panel, and under Text, click the More Options icon. Then, click the Numbered List icon. That's it. To edit your numbered list, reopen the paragraph style and play around with the different options.